Registering for college events and workshops will add them to your Learner Transcript. You may register for workshops using the calendar or any other curricula available in the Vision Resource Center. On the workshop calendar, you can filter by day, week, month, or use the agenda view, which might be easier during Flex Week to find out where your activities are. Going back to the month view, you can hover over any item to get the details of the session. For example, Math 160 Community of Practice gives me details about the date, the time, and the description of the session. It also will give me the Zoom link. Clicking on the session will provide me with the details that include the same information, and in this instance, there's additional information about pre-work to be done for this session. We can create materials that can be either links to other websites or Canvas resources that you want people to look at prior to the session or after the session. The Vision Resource Center uses the term request rather than register for all workshop and online training. This is because many colleges using the Vision Resource Center require approvals from managers for employee training. Faculty may click on request and you will be registered for that session or that online training. Closing the window will give me additional information about the event, and I can view the details along with requesting or registering for the event. If I am the instructor of this training, I can view the roster, request the training. I could save it for later or even add it to a playlist. Once I click on this session and request it, it's been added to my Learner Transcript. Remember, when looking at your transcript, you can view active training, completed training, or you can view archived training. Each semester, your completed trainings will be tallied to make certain you have completed your professional development obligation. So please keep your transcript up to date.